Next. Wait, excuse me, young man. Don't tell me you are this pastor.
I'm even here. Yes, so.
Wait, what una they tell una members when they make them believe una for all these things when they do?
Angel, you know spiritual warfare is not easy.
So you will not eat the food. After eating food, put fingers inside your soup, put in the mouth of your members.
No, I'm the one fighting the spiritual warfare. You know, I need to eat well because I will have to fast midnight and wake up early in the, you know. I need food.
Tell him, sir.
Shut up! Ha! See, what's your problem? No, what's your problem? Even you, Oswald. Person they eat better food, they feed on your destiny. You are saying, yes, sir. Tell him, sir. Now you get your power. See, in fact, you have to stay clear from this issue. Now me know how I tell give you power when they use.
Hey, it's enough. Point of correction here. Point of correction. The power, not be your power. Now your God power. Where is your God?
That one I sure. My brother, see, you have your kingdom, we have our kingdom.
Who is your brother? Who is your brother?
Sorry, our neighbor. See,
he said, hey, quiet. Young man.
My Oga not there, my Oga go revival. But this issue must be addressed. You know me, I know they take rubbish. You. Power, what will you give you? May you tell the follow up. Now you are misusing it.
What do you know about spirituality?
If I deck you, if like no the turtle. If like no.
Even though I trample upon Scorpio, I will fear no evil.
Yes, sir. Unto now you go know. Say Scorpion, past Scorpion. No need to judge this issue. More go.
It's enough. Young man. Young man. So this is how you go about.
Hey, follow.
See finish in the highest order. You are very stupid. You the. See, just give me 2 minutes.
Wait, excuse me. You said I should what?
I'm ready now.
To what? To go to here or to go to where?
So listen to you.
Why
you not fear anybody?
It's enough.
You know they fear you.
They say like father like son. Now so your guy they disturb me here. Okay, go to here. Go to here.
I don't they go without this guy not follow me. You can't pity him. He's not your son.
It's better you tell me.
It's enough.
You want to join me in the fasting and prayer.
So is this how you mislead people?
No problem. They go. When you through with them, man here say not come here. No, man here say not come here. Say you can't have mercy on her, or you can't tell her say there will be war.
That they will make heaven.
Make heaven. Oh my God.
So is this how you deceive people?
It's based on belief. You know, if you teach people according to your belief, they will always be prosperous. Now, spiritual warfare is a warfare that when you fight it, you don't fight it in the physical.
Is it warfare or warfare?
Okay, warfare. But there is fair. Once it has to do with fair, it is fight. So now, that warfare we are talking about, you don't fight it in the physical. It is spiritual, okay? Now what I'm doing is a spiritual exercise.
Achuri!
You understand?
Achuri!
Why you come here again?
Take your candidate.
No, when I tell you something, make a character go show you the things that you want picture. Where you move?
Wait, let me finish my.
You think that they take nonsense? I said move, follow here. If you put that, if you chop am, where you follow? And you they say.
Next! Young man, what's your name?
By the special grace of God, I am Pastor Omo.
Oh! The pastor that spoke on Davido, Whiskey and
Yes.
Burna Boy issues.
Yes.
Wow, how are you?
I'm very good.
I see you are enjoying your life.
To the fullest.
How is the ministry on earth?
You know, Jesus Christ said he was made poor so that we can be rich.
That's nice. That's nice. That's
Bless
nice.
you, Angel.
So what really happened? Because I see you on social media, people are slamming you. So what happened on it?
Don't mind those people. You know, they think we as pastors, we don't have the right to see and fall in love with any brand. You know, it's a misguided opinion by people, and I don't really give a damn about what they think. You know, the fact that I'm a pastor doesn't mean I don't have my right to air opinions.
I just did. I be there arrange some things when I hear your voice. I be no one talk for this issue, but tomorrow now I go say I to the paro, I to the verse. Since when my oga come out, I don't tell you, I don't want to take nonsense for this place. Anybody want to misbehave, drag and go there like you. I hear they look you. Now, Davido, Whiskey, Burna Boy, they're there on their own. This December period though, we never hear quarrel, we never hear fight among any musicians. Now say that they misbehave. Now you want set problem. You come out now, Davido is better than Whiskey.
It's my
Burna
choice.
Boy. My friend will if I deck you, that is how they take nonsense. Now, these people just suffer day on their own. Now, everybody, they do their music and we they enjoy them. All these musicians, you think that we don't know who better pass? No, you think that we don't know who sing pass? Go inside Fire. EP, when Davido newly released that, they go listen for Fire. Now they rain, now they dead. But you hear say we talk. You hear say we talk. You hear say we don't rant, say now this one better pass this one. All these guys, Davido, Whiskey, Burna Boy, all of them, they be our friends. They be our guys. We dey mingle with them. We dey buy their CDs. You want say you be pastor. You can't shout. Got problem between my children and see what will happen. Sorry, I said your children.
Thank God you have sense.
Sorry.
Since your God travel, since your God go for revival, I don't know why he make you charge of hair. Hair when Licky bad day, he make you charge.
Somebody must go for somebody to shine.
No, your God not go. He went for a revival.
Before he come back, or if Fire not full, Allah come with you.
Angel, I don't know whether I'm being prosecuted for my opinion.
It's enough. It's enough. The reason I actually wanted you to come is to make you know that there are some sensitive issues you don't talk on.
Exactly. Sorry.
You are a man of God, and I know you are doing your work. And as a man of God, you have the authority to hail your opinion. You have the freedom to hail your opinion. Mm-hmm. But there are some freedom you don't exercise when you are a leader. It will cause rancor among people who you lead.
No, tomorrow now, when they don't cause the problem, they don't know say I. Now when these children, and you know say those boys, their blood they hot. After they do music, those guys they don't get well. When you don't go cause problem among them now, they come fight, they scatter things.
It's enough.
Then they'll come say na devil work. No, it's not enough. They'll come say na devil work. I tell you our work. Now we do the video.
You dey shine like devil. I say it's enough.
Sorry.
So I already saw somebody tweet online called Davido album floppy disk.
Now be waiting they pay me be that. Now be waiting they talk with that.
It's enough now.
Now fight when they start now.
So somebody commented floppy disk.
Let's say na shaky body. Now they take the enter dance. No, cause the problem now.
It's enough. Somebody already called Davido's album floppy disk. Davido went there to debunk and said it's not a floppy disk, and that, whether Davido, Whiskey or Burna Boy, they are all singers. They are all good in their field. And please, let's leave this issue of Davido is the best, Burna Boy is the best, Whiskey is the best. All of them good. Now they buy their album, now they enjoy them. Good. Leave this. It's enough.
But the truth is, we know the best. We just they lock up. Sorry.
So let's leave the best. And Omo, there are some sensitive issues we don't talk on. I know you have the right. When it comes to Africa, there are ways Africans think. Mm-hmm. And Africa thinking is different from the Western world.
we think from inside out. Sorry, outside in. Sorry.
So if you should be able to know that, there are some issues you don't talk on. Are you getting it?
Yes.
I'm not saying that you are wrong. I'm not saying that you are right. But I'm just telling you that there are some issues you just let go. Don't talk on it. For the sake of your followers. For the sake of some people who are listening to you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Angel.
So I'm not condemning you. I'm not saying you are good. I'm not saying you are bad. I'm just trying to say that there are some issues you should not just talk on. And you can go to hell. It's not your member.
Yeah.
You can go to hell.
You know they follow me?
never will he follow you go to hell.
And thank you very
So
much.
you go back to it, go and
Abeg.
spread. Will you go back?
That new track when they decided if you send up. Sorry.
I think say na don buy am for her and they play am.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Angel. I've gotten everything you have said. I will think about it, but truthfully, Davido is the best.
Come, Tony Tatula never say sing. Sorry.
No, na blackface for sing.